This is Chale, what happened with Stagger, aka the nicest MC. Welcome to another episode. On this episode, we come talk about AMA, Accra Metropolitan Assembly. Yes, Accra Metropolitan Assembly is 125 years old. Did you know that the AMA is older than the independence of Ghana? Yes. Now, yesterday, 13th of September, they had a media launch for their anniversary celebration. Now, at this event, so many things happened. Amongst other things, we had cultural display by Adesata Lloyd, their Ghana cultural troupe, and they came to give us some storytelling through dance. This event was also graced by assembly members of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, without whom the event would not have been a success. Now, there's a controversy that happened at this event between the Ghana state and somebody I'm going to talk to you about after this. So don't go anywhere, okay? You don't want to miss this. I'll be right back.
Chale, what happened? Chale, what happened? Make I tell you something. Something made my inside. Get it make out weak, get it make out.
Yes, so like I mentioned earlier, today we are going to talk about the Accra Metropolitan Assembly. Now, before I go into the details of this controversy, let me just give you a brief history of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly. So in 1877, the capital of the Gold Coast was changed from the Cape Coast, was changed from Cape Coast to Accra. Since then, Accra has been the fastest growing city in terms of population in the country. Now, the first attempt to set up a town council, and I'm giving you this information from the official website of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly so that you don't get it wrong, okay? Now, over here, it says the first attempt to set up a town council dates back to 1859 under an ordinance which was annulled in January 1861. However, now this is the year that AMA became solid as an establishment, okay? It was established in the year 1898. Now, when it was first established in 1898, it was called the Accra Town Council. So most of us grew up hearing tankase, but if you keep your home dirty, tankazavecho. Now, it was the Accra Town Council, and it was popularly or easily referred to as the tankas. So it's not tankas, it is not tankas, it is Town Council. In 1953, 4 representatives from the Ghana state were appointed to be the representatives of the Accra state or the Ghana state at or within the Accra Metropolitan Assembly or at the Accra Town Council, as it were. So after we gained independence in 1957, the constitution was revised and the traditional representation was wiped off completely. So it was run by government appointees without any traditional authorities, okay? So in 1961, Accra was declared a city. It was no longer a town, and it became Accra City Council, previously Accra Town Council. So this was in 1961. Yeah, so that is some history on AMA. And currently, AMA gets 3 sub-metros under arm. And the mayor for Accra is Honorable Elizabeth Na Kwacho Teria Saki. Okay, so now let's go into the events and let's see what happened. Some of the things that happened at the event. Now, there was the unveiling of the logo for the quasquicentennial celebration. School panel. Quasquicentennial, it means 125-year anniversary. Quasquicentennial celebration. Now, there was the unveiling of the logo for this anniversary celebration. So, we'll go see the logo then come. I will give you some gist.
Let's do it.
So as you can see in the logo, they have the Ghana flag, you have the Gasamai. The accounts will say Idinkra symbols. In Ghana, they say Samai. Now, you know, the Samais are there, the Ghana flag is there. You will see an emblem inside the logo. You see some blue color. It represents waves. This is the Ghana state trying to tell you that, yes, they are the owners of the sea, you know, the waters. They are the bosses or the champions of the sea, you know. Also indicating that they are fisher folks, okay? And then you will see a cocoa tree inside the logo. The Ghans are telling you that if you have forgotten anything, they are the ones who brought cocoa to Ghana. Tetekwashi is the one who brought cocoa to Ghana. Also, they are trying to let you know that the Ghans are also prominent farmers. Okay, they are very good farmers. Aside being fishermen, they can also farm. Alright. There's a brown or red image, you know, in the logo. So those are ant hills. You see in Accra, we're from Nkran 4. Now, Nkran, those are ants. Many ants in their numbers. The Ghans are known for their unity, you know. Like ants. When you see many ants doing things together, you know. Yes, that's how the Ghans work. They work in unity. So the ant hills are representing unity or are signifying unity. So this is the logo for the quasquicentennial celebration. If they mention number, you don't take care, you look back. Quasquicentennial. Yeah, so now we could dive into the controversy I was talking about. If you know Nana Eke was a winner at Talented Kidz in 2020. Okay, Nana Eke is so he gives appellations, you know, in our local dialect. Okay, he dresses and mimics the way our chiefs do their things. Okay, the way they speak, the way they behave. Okay, Nana Eke was the winner for Talented Kidz in 2020. Nana Eke was at this event to grace it, okay, to support. So he came there giving his speech, and you let's watch his speech.
And then I was 125 years old. On ye, he can walk. Me said he can walk. And he will fear against it.
That's your man they doing anything now way them interrupt them.
As a peace ambassador and traditional culture of the year and all skin, as well as the best part of Africa. Martin said that the Neti Abakosem Kakra for Accra Metropolitan Assembly 1. Accra Metropolitan Assembly was established in 1898, but has gone through several changes in terms of name. As record talks by itself, Yebi Amanfosia, Niakaya Munti, Yamawang Ayiko, and Linti Ekemise. Oh, contrast, you are so victor, contrast, you be fitted. If to your Dumakuma, Abofrabon, one of Marta Dio, I fade the female mayor of Greater Accra, Honorable Elizabeth Nakwachoteria Saki. Honorable Wongwasu, Mona Wagen, Bidipin, Batarapanica, Chilabin, Chilabia, Media Mediasa, we are Jansa, Usia Jansa, Sakaria, Ukutukos, Sas Wongwaso, Mona Wokon, Sarama, Watafu Sansa, Wanchiko, Wolfins, and Sawaya.
For certain reasons, I can't show you that clip, but he was interrupted briefly, and he had to summarize his performance or his presentation and cut it short. Okay. Now, many people in the hall felt like the chiefs were not happy, the queen mothers they were not happy. That this is a Ghana thing. This is something that the Ghana state holds in a very high esteem. You know, the Accra Metropolis belongs to the Ghana state. Okay, so if they are launching such an anniversary, they expected that if no be anything safe, whoever will come and do this sort of presentation will come and speak Ghana. Okay, this was a controversy and it had people talking. And but the mayor came to speak, and the mayor gave us reasons why this had to happen. So we'll watch what the mayor can talk about this whole controversy that was happening, and we'll be right back.
He also met me and then we chatted. Today he just came along and said, I want to also come and help you, support you in this wonderful program. for a kind girl to also come and visit. Unfortunately, I didn't get time. So, no humility. I want to approach you.
As we rightly heard from the mayor, Nana Eke was just there to support. Okay, according to the mayor, they met at Talented Kids and they've been very good friends despite the age. The mayor doesn't think age is a boundary when it comes to friendship. Nana Eke is her very good friend. And Nana Eke happened to be around during the launch and asked her if he could extend his support for this event, and she warmly agreed. So it's not as if they wanted to use Equiapem. And mind you, the Gans and the Equiapems have a very tight relationship, okay? This was just Nana Ake's way of showing support, okay? This was in no way some sort of sabotage or anything. This was his way of showing support. And then, as the mayor rightly said, let me know what you think in the comment section, whether it was right for Nana Eke to even come and make appellations with Equiapem after we had Ghana chiefs and Queen mothers present. Do you think it was right in the first place? Do you think there's nothing wrong with it? Let me know in the comment section. There was also storytelling through dance by Adisa Taloy, and they gave us very nice performances, very wonderful drumming and dancing. Let's go see what they had for us. Yeah, so this is everything that happened at the AMA anniversary launch, the quasquicentennial. If you get me mention of APC, you will buy already, you know, quasquicentennial. You know, go school, you don't know. So this is quasquicentennial. Quasquicentennial. Add it to your vocabulary. So let me know in the comment section what you think about Nana Ake's performance and why he was interrupted, and whether or not it was right that he was interrupted, whether or not it was right or okay in the first place that he came there with his Equiapem appellations, okay? Let me know in the comment section. So next week, Saturday, something is happening in Kwewu, 23rd September. Add it to your calendar. There are going to be so many activities starting from Friday, 22nd September through to Sunday, 24th September. On Friday, when you come, we're going to have a bonfire. And on Saturday, as you can see on your screen, we have a variety of events. And on Saturday evening, we are going to go clubbing and so on and so forth. Now on 23rd also, there's going to be a jollof party in Kwewu. So next week is packed. Let's go and experience the mountain life. Let's go and experience the weather. Let's go and experience Kwewu. So on 23rd, there's going to be jollof party in Kwewu at Kwewu or Bombing. This is going to happen at Watimer's place, and note the date is 23rd September. Now thank you all for watching. Thank you all for staying with me. I'll catch you again on our next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And keep your comments coming. Until next time, God bless you all.
Chale, what it happened?